So the next feature I want to show inside of Game Glance, how to actually assign referees to games. This is very simple and it's designed to be super easy. So this is what it's going to look like. It's just going to have all your games. It's all going to be kind of just randomized and just all the games that you have imported. And you can come in and you can assign like this manually one by one. What we built is a super easy way to assign them all in one swipe. A lot of times you're going to assign referees per field with most leagues, and how we do it, same refs stay on the same field to keep it simple. So what you want to do is, depends on how many games you want to assign them for, but usually we just go 1 week at a time because referees availabilities shift at times. So you'll filter for whatever week you want to assign for. I'll press 8/22/2026, and then I'll press the group by field button. And so what this does is it separates each of the games by field. I can easily come in here now and bulk assign whatever referees I need to that field. I'm choosing all the fields, choosing myself as a referee. You can put what type of referee they are, whether it's a head ref, assistant ref, line judge, etc. A couple clicks of a button, easily assigned. And now on their portal, they'll be able to see the games that they're assigned to like I just showed, and they'll be able to work them. Signing referees, super, super easy. As long as you make sure you're grouping by field properly. You can also filter by a lot of different things. You can filter by division, game status, season, date. You can also search on this function as well. And then after, whenever you filter these and you get the referees properly assigned how you want them, you're able to export the schedule. If you want to send this out to them via text as well, via a different avenue than just them seeing their game assignments on their portal, you can export it and send it to them that way as well.